Goeiedag, good day. Dit is juffrou Denisa en vandag gaan ons Afrikaanse woorde oefen. Vandag gaan ons nommers oefen. Today we're going to practice our number words. Now, I'm going to say the word and you're going to repeat after me. We're going to do it 2 times. Is jy reg? Are you ready? Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 Well done. Baie mooi. We're going to do it one more time. Are you ready? Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 Well done. Pragtig. Feel free to play this video over and over again until you are comfortable with the pronunciation. Voel vry om die video te herhaal tot jy gemaklik is om die woorde te sê. Baie dankie en ek hoop jy het 'n lekker dag. Thank you so much. I hope you have a lovely day. Totsiens.